like so tired, it's not even funny. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing yet another sort of like makeup tutorial. If you don't like it, you can get off the channel right now. I don't know what else to tell you. But this video today is something that I saw a few YouTubers do, and I was like, I kind of want to try that one too. I actually watched HeyitsThalia do this one to a James Charles video, so I was like, hey, maybe I could do that too. So, because it kind of looked fun, and it was just like something I haven't done yet. And to be honest, I really didn't know what I was going to do until like last night. So, I will link her video of this in my description bar if you want to go watch hers. Today, I am going to be trying to follow a Manny Mua tutorial. And this one is his Mermaid Halo eye makeup tutorial for like Coachella. And I don't know, I just saw the thumbnail and I was like, that looks super cool, and I feel like I need to do it too. Plus, I just love Manny. I don't know, he's like my spirit animal, but I just love everything about him. I was like, hey, why not do that one with Manny Mua? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be trying to follow a Manny Mua tutorial. How many times can I say his name in this video? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So if you want to learn how to get the look, follow Manny and I, and just keep watching the video. Okay. So like you don't want to play or something?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look I have going on right now. It's a really fun, pretty dramatic halo eye, I would say. It's cute, it's fucking festive. This is a fun look I came up with. I actually did a look like this very similar maybe like 3 years ago on Instagram. And I was scrolling through my Instagram feed a while back, and I was like, dude, this look is so pretty, I want to recreate it. So I did a little bit of...
Wow, really?
Twist on it with how I do makeup now. And I just think it's so pretty, it's so easy to do, honestly. I use like one palette for the whole like color scheme. I'm all about wearing bold colors on the eyes. That's actually...
Okay, so I'm gonna like skip to the tutorial. So in this video, Manny already has like his full face done, and I'm like not used to that. I think he has like contour, brows. I don't know if he had his concealer done. Pretty positive he did. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera since he already has all that shiznits done, so I'll be right back. Okay, I only did my concealer off camera because I like cannot do my bronzer or like I highlight before I do like my eye makeup. It's just weird, so I'm just gonna, you know, do that after. Okay, here we go.
So I'm already primed. I've been doing so many halo eyes recently, and a lot of people have been requesting me to film a halo eye tutorial because I haven't done one in, I don't know, like over a year. It's been a long time. So I'm going to do a fun halo eye today. Let's just go ahead and start right into it. I'm going to take a Morphe M505, and this is just a little fluffy brush. Take this little palette by Smashbox. It's a really fun, colorful palette, which I thought was really...
Okay, so Manny uses the Smashbox palette, which I have seen at Sephora, and I think Ulta too. Because I don't have that palette, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics palette, the Eyes on 80s palette here. It's got kind of similar colors to the ones in there. It's got most of the rainbow colors that Manny uses and all that fun jazz. It's pretty, like, it's a amazing dupe, and plus it's got like more colors in it too. I think this palette only cost me about $12 on the website because BH Cosmetics is a pretty cheap alternative to high-end products, and it works as well as high-end products as well. Manny went in with a fluffy brush from Morphe. Really any brush works, so I'm going to take mine from Sonia Kashuk. It's kind of just a regular blending brush. It doesn't really have a name. You can just tell it's a blending brush, so.
What's up with that? So I'm going to take the purple. Dude! I'm going to put that into the crease. Mainly just the crease portion, all the way to the inner part of the eye as well. Holy shit, this is actually really good. Aww!
Manny took a purple color. It looks more of like a magenta purple, so I'm going to go in with the magenta purple. I'm just going to go in with the color that looks similar to that one from the Smashbox palette. Like that. Oh my gosh, this came out more pink. Oh my god! Okay, well, I think maybe it's the brush I'm using. Okay, I'm gonna take a more condensed blending brush, and this one is mine from Equal Tools. So I'm just gonna go on that same color and try to get this fucking shit. Okay, I guess that worked a little better. Got it like all over the top of my eye. Sorry, Manny, I'm like disappointing you right now. Of course, this one's gonna come out a lot better because I'm using a better blending brush than I was before. Use whatever brush your heart desires, so.
Okay, honestly, I'm really impressed with the pigmentation so far. Come on, Little Smash palette, these are bomb. I want this halo eye to be a little bit more on the colorful side, so I thought purple in the crease would be fine.
Wow. Okay, so hopefully you can hear me because my camera just decided to overheat, and usually when it overheats, it shuts off. So.
Okay, we got the purple in the crease, and now it's time to put in another color. So now I'm gonna go with that mint color. It's like that really minty shade right here on this little pencil brush.
Okay, so I happen to have the same pencil brush that Manny does. It is the MAC 219 brush. It's just any pencil brush you can get anywhere. Like this. Okay, so he went into the mint color in the Smashbox palette, and I've got sort of a mint. I think I've got a mint color. This color right here. Okay.
Do it again. On a Morphe N574.
Oh, I lied. He had a Morphe N574. So he uses mostly Morphe pencil brushes, but that pencil brush looks exactly the same to the MAC 219. So like I said, I'm sure the Morphe one's a lot cheaper than the MAC one that I got, because let's be honest, MAC products are very, very expensive.
So we're going to be starting to do halo and to increase a little bit. I'm like actually hoping this turned out somewhat cute because it doesn't.
I'm like hoping too for myself, Manny, because I've never done a halo eye before, so this is the first time for everything. Oh my god, this is gonna turn out like shit. And it's not even the YouTuber's fault, it's like mine. Okay, well, okay.
On a real note, guys, I'm living for this color. This mint is so pretty. I'm living for the crease as well, just to have it there. Mix in with that purple a little bit. Yeah. Leaving the center completely open, as you guys can see.
Sure.
Now I'm going to take a little clean brush. This is a Wayne Goss 05. You don't need to use this brush. This is a very expensive brush, but I just have it because it's a really small, tapered brush. And I'm going to blend between that purple and that mint shade. So there's a nice
Okay, so because I don't have that brush, I think what I'm gonna do is take, holy shit. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one that I got from Bare Essentials. It's like really small. It's about as small as the one that he's using. This is, well, actually I'm lying. This is an expensive one too. I feel like mine's not turning out as good as Manny's right now. Apparently I don't know how to do makeup, like for real. Oh, and he's doing his whole eye too. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. Alright, girl, alright. Oh my gosh, these colors like look fucking amazing together. I think I'm getting sick too. Can you guys hear that?
They blend actually really, really nicely together, which is great. Okay, guys, so this is what you should have so far. A nice purple crease, mint on the lid.
What do I have?
So now we're going to go ahead and continue on.
It looks like a unicorn threw up on my eyes.
I'm going to dip a little bit into the darker blue, the bluer shade. And I'm going to add that on the most
Wait, I missed it.
And inner corner of my halo eye.
The darker blue?
Okay. Insert it here. And right here.
I'm going to be going in with probably just the blue color here.
Where the mint meets the purple. Honestly, I'm only doing this to add a little bit more depth to the halo eye, just to make it a little bit darker. And on the inner corner as well. Okay guys, so I think I really like how the crease and the eye is turning out so far. I think it looks great.
Does that look okay? Probably not. This looks like shit. I am struggling today. Manny, oh my god. Guys, this may look okay on camera, but I'm telling you in person. Oh my god! I think this pink is getting to my head, just so y'all are aware. I ordered a new wig. So, and I'm excited for you guys to see her. and I've decided to give each of them like a name. I know the website gives them a name, but I decided I wanted to give them my own name. So this one, they all have a name because of like a reason, like it's not something I just made up on the spot. But this week I'm naming her Colleen for a certain reason, and I'll let you guys know why in a different video. Just not today because we're already struggling enough today. So, okay, here we go.
Pretty, very cute. So now I'm gonna take the Makeup Geek pigment in the shade Telepathic, which is a really pretty golden pink reflect. It's stunning. And I'm gonna put that on the center of the lid. I'm just gonna use my finger with the pigment because it's just way easier that way for me. And then I'm gonna put it in the center of the lid. I'm just gonna blend with.
Oh my god, do I have anything like that? Okay, I do. It's not the Makeup Geek pigment, but this is a pigment from LA Colors, which you can get at like fucking dollar store or something like that. Holy shit. Am I gonna be out like more shimmery? No! What the fuck is going on? Okay, what?
Wrong. I'm gonna take the Stila Magnificent Metal Glitter Shadow in the shade Diamond Dust.
No, Manny!
But it has a lot of pink and like golden reflect to it, so I'm like, that's going on the center of my lid. I think. In the center of the center, actually. Like right there. Give it that extra oomph. Oh!
Okay, so what I'm gonna do actually is gonna take, I'm gonna go into my Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette and take the color. So what I'm gonna do, as I was saying, is I'm gonna go into the color Forever Young out of the, or Forever Lit color. So I'm gonna take that same Bare Essentials, pack that highlight color on top of the loose, oh fuck, on top of that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's what you have so far. I hope you don't have what I have.
Now taking that purple underneath the lash line, I'm going to smoke it on the outer corner on here.
Oh, and this is the shit I hate. Fuck. Definitely looks like a unicorn threw up on my face.
Do a side there, pencil. So after that,
no, I'm not doing that. I cannot do that.
It's having a little bit more of the blue.
And torture herself some more. This looks like a 5-year-old took a fucking crayon and just decided to color all over my eye. Because clearly I am doing something wrong. I'm so shook right now.
Okay guys, so for the final step of the actual look, this is what it looks like so far. I think it's turned out so pretty, it's so cute, it's just like a fun look. I just love purple in the crease, it just makes me, you know.
Manny's obviously looks so much better than mine.
Right there, it's like a really cute step going on right now with adding little gems in the lower lash line.
I don't have gems, so I'm gonna have to like...
I have a little bit of lash glue. I'm literally just going to dot on lash glue where I want the little gem to go. In the center of my eye, so right there.
Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some concealer brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just put the concealer like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that loose pigment, the shitty one from like the dollar store, and take another brush. What the fuck? And just... What is on my eye right now? We're not gonna leave this. We're gonna have to fix this. Is there any saving this? Oh my god. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to like drag everything down like super far. Just create kind of that eye baggy look. Hey, there is some saving this, so maybe I can put it up right away.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and this is how the...
Okay, so that's something I'm gonna do off camera as well. Okay, so this is what we got for the end result on that Manny Mua makeup look. I feel like I salvaged the makeup look after messing it up with that concealer because I thought it was gonna work. With the iridescent shit that we use on top of our eyes. I really like this, even though it didn't come out as awesome as Manny's did, because my life is a fucking struggle. I am a fucking struggle. But yeah, the liner that I used was the Stila Felt Tip Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And then I used, of course, my Better Than Sex mascara, like always. And the lashes that I use are the Demi Wispies. So this is the end result. I hope you guys got something better than I did. This was just a fucking challenge for me. But yeah, I still like the outcome that came out. It's very like colorful. I don't really do many colorful looks, so I feel like that's something that stepped out of my comfort zone. So I really do like this. I don't know where I'd wear it. Like if I ever did go to Coachella, I'd probably wear this. Other than that, that is the end of the video. But I really don't have anything else going on in the video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the little bell on the subscribe button to let you know when I post new videos, which is every Thursday. And yeah, I really don't have anything else to say except I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!